Today's video is brought to you by endtimegardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Have you ever seen this plant in your garden or anywhere on your property? Are you familiar with it? It's called lamb's quarters. The leaves of lamb's quarters resemble a goose's foot. This is a robust plant that starts out very inconspicuously, but can grow as tall as 5 feet with a spread of about 4 feet. A unique characteristic of this wild edible is its powdery look and feel of the leaves, which makes them water repellent. The flowers are green and so small that one hardly notices them. Its tiny black seeds are used regularly for food. The edible parts are the leaves, flowers, and seeds. If you can easily pinch the stalk with your nails when harvesting the leaves, this is also edible. The nutritional value of lamb's quarters are amazing. A 100-gram serving of this wonderful wild edible in its raw state can yield over 300 milligrams of calcium and only loses about 12% when it is cooked. It can also yield up to 11,600 units of vitamin per 100 grams with a loss of about 20% when cooked. It has high levels of niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine. The leaves, stems, and flowers can be eaten raw in salads, or you can saute them with onions, garlic, and a little salt. They are as simple to cook as spinach and are quite tasty. The seeds can be ground up and used in cereal or can be combined with flour, half and half, for muffins, cakes, and other baked goods. One lamb's quarters plant can produce up to 70,000 seeds. Lamb's quarters can be harvested when they are about a foot tall. The more you harvest, the more greens it produces by sending out new branches. Lamb's quarters also have medicinal value. The leaves were eaten by Native Americans for stomach problems and to help prevent scurvy. A poultice made from the leaves can be used on burns to aid in healing. Give this amazing wild edible a try today. You will find that it is inexpensive, delicious, and nutritious.